Hey y'all, I'm Jatara and I'm going to show you guys how to edit one of your renders in MidJourney. So it's a lot better if you use the website, okay? It can be a little bit tricky if you use Discord. So just go to the website, it's a lot easier. So I'm going to go to one of the things that I created. So here's my, whole section right here. So I'm just going to pick one. Let me actually search one because I have some Spider-Man ones that I know look kind of funky. So hold on, let me go see. Okay, so I have this one of Spider-Man and he's supposed to be eating macaroni. So I'm just gonna pick one that looks a little bit off. Like, I guess his hand looks weird here, but I don't really like to mess with like the hands. Okay, so I guess his face looks weird here. So we're just gonna pick this one, okay? So you're gonna create whatever you create and then go to it in your create section. Pull your image up like this. You're gonna go over here to the bottom right. In case you don't see right here with this row where it says more, you might have to hit more options and then you just gotta make sure that that part is checked, okay? So you're gonna go right here where it says editor. It's gonna bring up this new window and you should automatically have the erase button already clicked on. So you're just gonna kind of erase whatever it is that you want and you can change the size of your brush as well. So I'm just trying to get like this part of his face. Ideally, you want to select more than what you think MidJourney needs just to give it a little bit more breathing room. So I'm gonna go a little bit over the face. And really anything else you want to change in this entire thing, you know, you can just do that. So I'm gonna change this part on the wall. I'm gonna make my brush a bit bigger just so it'll speed the process up. All right, I'm gonna do that. But I like to do this in case there's some areas where, you know how AI is, it'll just like throw random like shapes and stuff in one area, like how it is right here. So you might want to clean that part up, but either way, for that you can just hit upscale creative and then, you know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and we'll see where it goes. Even over here it's like he's missing an arm, like you see his hand here but you don't see the arm, so I'm gonna kind of try to clean that up. All right, so then you just hit submit. And you see it said submitted, but then it'll say submit again in case you want to like redo it again. So I'm gonna hit close and then you just gotta sit there and wait for that part to render. But that's really how you do it. So we just gotta sit there and wait for it to render. So I'm just gonna go back and refresh it. Okay, and oh, it's already done. That was fast. All right, so now you can see how his face looks different. That part on the wall looks different. Let me go back. Yeah, so you see even his arm there looks different. So I'm kind of going through the first two. There's the next one. They tried to put some letters up there, I guess. But yeah, so you see the difference between all of those. So I mean, I would just say keep playing around with all of those different renderings and just keep doing that until you get whatever it is that you like. But that is how you use the editor in MidJourney. So if y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm here all week. Okay, see y'all next time. Bye.